Hello guys! For this assignment I decided to take my boyfriend, say hi, with me to go to the woods, and I decided to go to a place close by the city called Nijverdal. We're gonna discover what you can do here, so I will keep you posted. So the place that I went to is divided into two parts. The first part is the forest and the second part is the heather. The reason that there aren't many long trees in the heather is because that way the animals are able to find each other during breeding seasons. As I walked into the forest, I noticed that there are a lot of different trees like this ones. There were also a lot of stones, pine cones, and moss visible. The heather consists mainly of dwarf shrubs and the heather family, of course. In the nature pedagogy, there are many different ways for children to discover the woods and to see what they can do with all kinds of different items they find in the forest. An example for what they would be able to find in the forest are parts of a chestnut. They could learn how they are able to whistle on these parts. They can also find some tree trunks and test their own strengths to see who is the strongest within their group. So there are a lot of activities that children are able to do here in the forest. An example of one of those activities is a scavenger hunt. It would be really fun to organize some scavenger hunt for the children to find some kind of treasure. That would be a fun activity. I think you can divide the children in multiple groups and make it as a kind of competition. I think in that way they will develop how they are able to communicate with each other and how they can work together with each other, and like what kind of skills everyone has and how you're able to use them in order to find that treasure as soon as possible. So another activity that children would be able to do in here is build a tree house together. As you can see, as an example of this one, you could assign kids to have different tasks in picking up leaves, for example, or picking up branches together, so that they can all work together as a team to build one big tree house. That would be also a good way for them to discover how they need to do that together, and yeah, what everyone needs to do, so they could like divide the tasks equally. So in that way they will also learn how they can work with each other. If they learn from a young age how to face all these kinds of challenges in the forest, that I think the chances are high that in the future they would also be able to do that more, instead of seeing it as a scary and unknown place for them. So this is the end of the video, and thank you for watching. And now we're gonna go and eat. Bye!